अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाजरीन, गुड आफ्टरनून, वेलकम टू फूड डायरीज। मैं हूँ ज़ारनक सिद्वा आपके सामने हाजिर एक और नए एपिसोड के साथ। आपको मैंने कल बताया था एक सरप्राइज़ है हमारे शो पे आज। तो हमारे शो पे आज डेनमार्क से एक शेफ़ आए हैं, शेफ़ कैस्पर हैं, उनको करते हैं वेलकम। Hello, welcome to our show.
Hello, thank you very much.
How are you?
I'm very happy to be here.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
Great. We also look forward to all the lovely Danish recipes that you'll be teaching on our show today.
Hopefully.
तो आज हमारे साथ ये हैं और ये आए हैं courtesy the Consulate of Denmark और हमारे शहर में हैं, हमारे मुल्क में हैं थोड़े दिनों के लिए और बहुत सारे क्लासेस वगैरह भी ये होल्ड कर रहे हैं। प्लांट बेस्ड हेल्दी डाइट की बात करेंगे हम इनके साथ आज और ये हमारे लिए आज वेजिटेरियन कोरमा बनाएंगे। सो वेजिटेरियन कोरमे में क्या क्या डालेंगे, किस तरह बनाएंगे वो भी हम सीखेंगे और पहले हम डेनिश चिकन एंड पोटैटोज़ बनाएंगे और हर्बियन की एक रेसिपी है जो मज़ेदार सी एक लस्सी मैं आपको बनाना सिखाऊंगी, लेकिन वो बिल्कुल हम आखिर में करेंगे। सो पहले ज़रा उनसे बातचीत करते हैं, गपशप करते हैं। ओके, सो आई वाज जस्ट टेलिंग माय व्यूअर्स अबाउट ऑल द रेसिपीज़ दैट विल बी डूइंग ऑन आवर शो टुडे एंड आई वाज वंडरिंग व्हाट इज़ अ वेरी फेमस डिश ऑफ डेनमार्क, टेल अस अबाउट इट।
Well, we have a dish really hard to pronounce for foreign people. It's called smørrebrød. It's basically like an open sandwich. So we have this full grain bread called rye bread, and we put a lot of different like meats and vegetables and salads on top of it. So we basically build up a big salad or a big open sandwich.
Sandwich,
okay.
Yeah, exactly. And meat based.
And meat, but you're also in higher grades plant-based foods.
Plant-based, yeah. Okay. So you are teaching me a vegetarian korma today. Why did you choose this recipe?
Well, when I had to do the research from before I went down here, I was looking at. I have some Pakistani friends from last time I visited in 2019, and I asked them what is the three most famous dish of Pakistan, and they said nihari, the korma, and I can't remember the last
biryani?
one. Yeah, biryani, exactly. Yeah. But you know, biryani has a lot of rice, and that really goes against the
not very healthy
health.
food.
That's not very healthy to eat rice all day. So I went with the korma.
Okay.
So I removed the meat and I added some tomatoes to get the umami flavor instead of.
Okay, so गोश्त का नहीं बनेगा कोरमा, ठीक है? वेजिटेरियन बनेगा और उसमें टोफू भी जाएगा। Okay, ठीक है। So you've been around Karachi today?
A little bit around Karachi.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about Lahore?
I haven't been to Lahore yet, but I'm going Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what have you been teaching all the students in all these culinary institutes here so far?
Well, I've made like a presentation for them where we talk about the Danish dietary guidelines that we have trying to push to other people, because this is a way to live. According to the Danish government, but it makes sense. Less meat, more vegetables, more legumes, more lentils, and so on. And then we went to the kitchen and made two dishes. So we made like a Danish protein salad, autumn salad, because it's autumn right now in Denmark and it's really cold. So we need a lot of potatoes and a lot of kale and lentils for protein. And then we also made actually the vegetarian korma.
Oh, you made that already there?
We made that already,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so I look forward to both these recipes today and वो एक salad भी बनाएंगे जिसमें cauliflower यानी गोभी जो होगी वो करेंगे बेक हम। आलू को भी इन्होंने ज़रा पका लिया है ताकि अवन में कम टाइम लगे। अच्छा, हम ऐसे करते हैं, अब हम एक ब्रेक की तरफ चलते हैं। हम ब्रेक से आएंगे तो फिर हम काउंटर के पीछे आपको मिलेंगे और वहाँ हम बनाना शुरू करेंगे ये सारी मज़ेदार सी रेसिपीज़ शेफ़ कैस्पर के साथ। तो हम लेते हैं एक छोटी सी ब्रेक, आप कहीं मत जाइएगा, हमारे साथ रहिए, देखते रहिए फूड डायरीज़ ओनली ऑन मसाला टीवी। जी वेलकम बैक। अब हम शेफ़ कैस्पर से सीखेंगे कि वो अपनी स्टाइल में वेजिटेरियन कोरमा कैसे बनाते हैं यूजिंग टोफू। ओके शेफ, ओवर टू यू नाउ।
Over to me.
Yes.
Well, that's a big responsibility. So this is not my first time cooking Pakistani food, but I'm guessing you're the pro. So
and on a live show.
And on a live show, yeah. So correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm doing anything, okay? So we're going to start out with doing the dry roast of all the spices. So let's heat up the pan.
Okay.
And let's start heating this one up for the tofu that we're gonna roast along with the spices.
Okay.
along with some of the vegetables.
Okay.
Okay.
So what do you want to add first?
We're going to do the cloves, the cardamoms, right here. Cumin, sorry. And some cloves, they're right here.
So जीरा, लौंग and
And some peppercorns.
काली मिर्चें इन्होंने डाल दी हैं रोस्ट करने के लिए, सूखा रोस्ट करना है, ड्राई रोस्ट, ऑयल के
And
बगैर।
the cinnamon.
दालचीनी भी डाली है थोड़ी सी।
And we're gonna do some red chili powder.
Okay. Won't that burn?
It will if we don't if we don't toss the pan. Yes, it will burn.
Okay.
Do you want to add it afterwards?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm the guest today.
No.
You're the chef. Yeah.
And then coriander,
Okay.
ground coriander, and then some turmeric powder.
Okay. हल्दी, लाल मिर्चों का पाउडर और इन्होंने इसमें धनिया पाउडर भी डाल दिया है।
Oh, and the green cardamoms. I said that wrong.
छोटी
before.
हरी इलायची। Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
So let's roast that up, and then we add a little bit of oil to the frying pan here.
Over to you.
Thank you. Can you hand me one eggplant and and a carrot, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
This will get too hot.
So just turn the burner down a little bit, like this. Add a little bit of oil. And this is also the big difference between, trying to cook a little bit more healthy is to not too much oil.
Yeah. Even on my show, I don't use too much oil.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Good. So I'm gonna add the tofu here. Can I have a spoon, please?
This one?
Yeah, just a regular spoon. Thank you very
टोफू
much.
आपको सब्जी वाले के यहाँ मिल जाएगा। टोफू यहाँ आपको हर सब्जी वाले के पास मिलेगा, बैग्स में पानी के साथ होता है और आप इसको हर रोज़ पानी बदल के फ्रिज में रख सकते हैं 4-6 दिन के लिए।
There we go. The tofu is done. We
Leave
can
it there,
put
leave
this.
it there.
Put it over here. There we go. So we're just going to fry the tofu a little bit, and while we do that, I'm going to add.
Should I close this?
Yes. Thank you. So just
Do you want me to turn this or leave it?
just leave it for now. So we want it golden brown.
Okay.
So
We could also
Like it.
use paneer, cottage cheese.
you could also use
Yeah.
paneer, but if we're doing like plant-based food, paneer is made from cheese. So
Milk.
yeah, that would make so much sense. But yes, it's pretty. If we look at the alternative for protein, yes, paneer would be a good substitute for meat.
Okay, there's a
No
caller.
doubt.
I'd like to talk to them. Hello. जी वालेकुम अस्सलाम। बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक, आप सुनाएं।
आज बहुत अच्छी बना रही हैं।
देखिएगा इनके स्टाइल का वेजिटेरियन कोरमा, ठीक है?
जी जी बनाएंगे हम।
बनाइएगा, ट्राई करिएगा, हमारे गेस्ट की रेसिपी भी।
आज सवाल कोई नहीं है।
जी
आज क्वेश्चन कोई नहीं है।
आज कोई सवाल नहीं रखा हमने। आप हमारा शो देखिए, एंजॉय करिए और बनाइए रेसिपीज। ओके जी, थैंक यू, बहुत शुक्रिया। Should I put it in this?
Yes, please.
I do read minds too.
Oh, that's good. Just gonna have a spoon with here.
You want a spatula for this?
I think it's easier with the spatula.
The non-stick will come off.
Just so we don't go. So yeah, basically try to get it fried golden brown like you would with meat.
Yeah. Sharjeel. Sharjeel.
There we go.
Grind it.
Grind it. Yes, please. Mind reader. So I'm going to add some of the ginger and garlic paste to the dish as well. A little too much.
You want to do it on this one?
Yeah, I think this one is too it's too fast. Perfect.
Won't the tofu break up if we add it in the beginning?
No, if we touch it too much, and there's also I found out that it's a big difference in tofu. Some tofu is fresher, and some tofu is actually more. The consistency is
quite crumbly.
It is crumbly. This one I can see.
Yeah.
But now we take it off the heat, and then we're gonna make the onion and tomato paste, and we add it too, and we just let it simmer.
Should I get
afterwards. You can get the blender. I actually got it down here.
Oh, it's here.
Yeah. Well prepared. There we go. Turn off the heat. And I'm gonna take some tomatoes. 3 tomatoes and some onion.
Okay.
And we're just gonna take top off right there. So I always blend the tomatoes first, because if you blend the onions, they will just you need some water to stick to it. There we go.
Will these blend?
No, they will not blend.
Do you want some water?
Yes, just a little bit, please. Thank you. There we go. Thank you. Will it blend? No, it won't not blend. Okay, more water, please. There we go. And it's
Coming out.
completed. There we go. Okay, so we're just going to do this, separate it from the knives. I think I put it in correctly now. There we go, let's try again. How hard can it be to blend tomatoes? There we go.
I spoke to it in Urdu, so
Oh,
it's
okay,
listening to me.
that's why. That's because it
Yeah.
doesn't speak English or
Yeah.
Danish. Oh, okay.
Is that
Perfect.
fine?
That's fine, that's perfect. And then we add the onions.
Okay.
There we go.
Do it again.
And do it again, please.
Now the next step is,
The next step is we add this along with the herbs.
that's it.
Yeah, that's it. That's perfect. Thank you very much.
Okay.
So,
What about the...
how is this? I'm afraid that this is gonna come off.
No.
No.
अगर हम ब्रेक ले लें तो कितना अच्छा आइडिया होगा। क्या ख्याल है? हम ब्रेक ले लेते हैं और ये जो है मशीन उसका कुछ करते हैं फिर ब्रेक में, ठीक है? कहीं मत जाइएगा, हमारे साथ रहिए, देखते रहिए फूड डायरीज ओनली ऑन मसाला टीवी। वेलकम बैक। ओके, अब यहाँ आलू हैं हमारे पास, जिनको ये हाथ से क्रश करेंगे और इसमें कुछ मसाले जात जाएंगे, मसाला जात, व्हाट इज दिस वर्ड, और फिर ये इस तरह हम अवन में रख देंगे। ओके,
So we're gonna crush the potatoes and really crush them.
क्रश तक।
Yeah.
ओके, हाथ से क्रश करने हैं, मैश नहीं कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है? साबुत थोड़े से रखिएगा, छिलके समेत बॉईल कर दिए थे बड़े इस तरह वेजेस में। वेजिटेरियन कोरमा जो हमारा है वो टोफू के साथ, सब्जियों के साथ पक रहा है। Okay, what will you add in this, Chef Casper?
Pretty simple. I'll just add some oil.
Okay. And?
It's almost like making French fries.
Okay.
Just
Healthier version.
Just destroyed French fries.
Okay.
And we add some salt
Okay.
because salt's make
And
them
what
more-
else?
And that's basically it for now. So in the oven,
Pop it in.
yes, please, top. In the top,
You want the top on?
yes, if you have the grill on, that would be perfect.
Great. Okay. Next step.
Good. So we're gonna heat up this pan, and we're gonna add some of the cauliflower. So we're just gonna burn them. We can add a little bit of oil.
Should I?
Yeah, a little bit of oil, like this. And
थोड़ा सा तेल और
you're welcome to put them on the pan.
फूल गोभी.
Perfect. And the purpose here is actually to get them a little bit black.
थोड़ा काला करना है, चार
And
करना
it's
है.
because, the black flavor is like a bitterness, and it tastes well with all the sweetness and all the sourness in the rest of the dish.
ठीक
So
है?
it makes sense. TK.
ठीक है. Okay.
On the third pan here, we're gonna do the chicken.
Okay.
So we're gonna do 2-piece chicken. So let's don't overcook. A little bit of oil. There we go. And then we add 2 pieces of chicken when it's hot, of course.
Chicken thigh के pieces हैं. Can we use breast fillet?
We can use breast fillet. Yes, you can. I prefer the thighs.
I also like the thigh because it's juicier.
It's juicier.
Yeah.
There's more fat, and then again, but this is not the healthy version. But yes, but it's
Do you
tastier.
move this around or
We
stay?
just let it stay. We just need it to
इसको
burn.
छेड़िएगा नहीं. इसको हमें brown करना है.
Yeah.
चले. Okay.
Good. So when we fried the chicken, we're gonna add it to this one, and we're gonna cook them in the oven until they're done.
Okay.
Okay. So almost hot. Yeah, that's fine. There we go. Put it over here.
What will you add to the chicken?
Only salt. In Denmark, the spices is not a common thing. If we go wild, we add a little bit of oregano or something like that. But
Here
the
we can't do
spices-
without spices. In the subcontinent, India, Pakistan, we can't do without spices.
Yeah, I know.
We need a lot of spices in our food.
As a chef, I really believe in, how can I make this chicken taste like chicken the best way?
This is happening.
Yeah, it's fine. With as few means as possible to get the taste there. This is how I work. Or this is a lot of Danish chefs work. Fast. So let's add a little bit of the spices to the korma. Here. How much?
What
you
about
think?
those spices we ground?
This is the one.
This is that. Okay,
That's
okay,
that. This is the spices that we ground.
Okay. जो हमने मसाला पीसा था, साबुत गरम मसाला ये जा रहा है.
How much should we add?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
Your recipe.
Yeah, but you. I got it from Pakistan.
Add.
Yeah, we're gonna add
Yeah.
a little bit. There we go. So let's check these. Oh, they need more. More love. There we go. We need to chop some almonds for this one, and we're also gonna add. Excuse me.
do
We're
you
also
want?
gonna add a little bit of yogurt to the dish.
What do you want?
I want to stop this because it's going too fast.
Okay. And
Like this. And then we need to chop some almonds, and we need some yogurt as well for the
Yogurt
dish.
is here.
Yes, yogurt there. Okay, thank you. This. More.
Okay.
We need more.
एक कॉलर है जी, उनसे बात करते हैं. हेलो.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
जी क्या हाल है?
मैं ठीक हूँ, थैंक यू. आप सुनाएं.
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ और आप बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं।
आवाज़ नहीं आ रही.
जी मैंने कहा बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं आज।
बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच.
और मैंने आपका मोइस केक ट्राई किया था, बहुत अच्छा बना था।
थैंक यू.
और आज मैं पिज़्ज़ा भी ट्राई कर रही हूँ।
आज इनकी रेसिपीज भी ज़रूर ट्राई करिएगा, ठीक है?
जी ठीक है, ओके।
थैंक यू, बहुत शुक्रिया कॉल करने का. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
Now we're doing that. This is good.
Good?
Yeah.
Good to go?
A little bit more.
Little bit more.
Yes. Good. So the chicken is brown. Gonna add it to.
You don't want to finish cooking it in on the pan?
No, we can easily do it in the oven.
So do you want me to move the potatoes down, or you want to do the chicken?
No, I'm just gonna put the chicken beneath it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And
So
what do you
just
add?
Add a little bit of salt. That's
Namak.
it.
And that's it.
That's it. That just chicken tastes like chicken.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. We put a lot of spices in our food, and sometimes we forget that it has to taste like the protein that we are cooking, you know.
I agree.
Yeah.
Good. So the next thing we're doing a salad.
Okay.
So we need a small pan with a little bit of honey on.
Frying pan? Or
Yeah, a
saucepan?
little frying pan. Yeah. Do we have any more, or did I use them all?
No. This one will work. it's a big one?
That's too big, I think. We can just do it in a pot. Like this.
Okay. What would you need now?
I have honey. We should have honey somewhere.
There,
It's right
there.
there. Perfect. So we add some honey. And we're going to do some honey glazed beetroots.
Okay. Sounds good.
So there we go. So it's pretty easy. Heat up the honey until it boils a little bit, and then we add the beetroots, and we just let it simmer for 5-10 minutes.
It's not enough burnt?
It is burnt, but it should be almost a couple of minutes more, and then it's done.
Is it okay to eat this burnt food?
Yes, it is.
It's okay.
In small amounts. In small amounts, it is. Yes, and it's not burnt. Well, if you look at a lot of different cultures' food, a lot of it is actually burned. Some of the Pakistani food is burned as well.
Like what? The tikkas?
Like when you really roast some of the masala, it's really burnt.
No, burnt as in this is burnt.
Yeah, but this is burnt. But I promise you, when you taste it, you will see. Okay, this makes sense. It's not completely stupid what it's saying. Okay, I promise.
I'm just teasing you.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Everybody's teasing me down here, and it's
Yeah, we like to bring a smile on your
yeah,
face.
that's good. That's good.
Okay, so salt again.
Yeah, a little salt. Yeah. Good. So something to put it in a tray. We have to mix this for a salad.
So you want a bowl?
A bowl. Yeah, that's fine. Oh yeah, it's a bowl.
Okay. Tell me, Casper, what are you going to do next? Because then we take a break.
Yeah. Next, I am gonna.
Chop up the vegetables.
Yes, we're gonna finish the salad, and this, we're gonna add some fresh apples, some of the beetroots.
Okay.
And
So
we're
what
gonna
we'll
do
do is
some
we've got a
herbs.
commercial break coming
Okay.
up. So we'll take a break,
Yeah,
and is that okay?
yeah, it's fine.
So say that.
We're gonna take a break. We'll be back in short time.
Yeah. ठीक है.
TK.
ठीक है. That's the only word.
That's it.
Okay. Now, vegetable korma is done.
We just need a little salt to
Salt.
taste.
Okay.
Yeah.
And इसमें इन्होंने
The beetroots.
बीटरूट चुकंदर डाले थे और
Almost.
शहद था.
Almost
It's done.
We can taste it. We need to taste if it's.
Our charred cauliflower is done.
Yes.
So what were you saying in the break?
I was saying that you are very nice and you remind me of my mom.
Oh my God! Come on! Why do I remind everybody of their moms?
That's a good question. You should ask yourself that.
If your mom is watching this show,
I doubt she is because she's in Greenland working actually as a nurse.
okay.
No.
Okay, so let's come back to our chicken.
Yes.
Potatoes are browning.
Potatoes are browning, so we're just gonna give them a little bit of twist. A stir. So we want them completely brown all over,
Okay.
if possible.
आलू को बॉईल करके मैश करके ब्राउन करना ज़रूरी है. तो ऊपर का भी मैंने अवन ऑन किया है नाजरीन, ठीक है. और ये जो है अच्छी तरह इसको ब्राउन होना ज़रूरी है. ऊपर नीचे करिएगा चम्मच के साथ. और चिकन जो है
Chicken, let's
Not
a
yet
little
done.
bit more.
Yeah, it's a thick piece
Good.
of Thai
So
chicken.
what we need for the potatoes, this is done. So we
Chula
can
band.
turn it off. So what we need for the potatoes, I need to chop some onions.
Okay.
And chop some parsley. And we need to, get some. We need to pick some of these. I think this
The dill
could be
and the parsley?
The dill and the parsley. Yes, that would be a good job for mom, I think.
Hands are tied to the back. See, today.
So I'm gonna chop a little bit of parsley and some onions for the potatoes. So when they're done, we're gonna mix it together.
Okay.
Okay.
So why don't you do some chopping while I make my lassi, a drink for
That's
you.
a good idea.
A drink for you to calm down.
Yes.
Smooth those nerves.
The only one that's giving nerves is not the cameras, it's you.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Okay. So अब हम हर्बियन की रेसिपी बना रहे हैं, ठीक है? दूध डालेंगे पहले हम. इसमें हम दही डालेंगे. मैंने इनको तंग किया. मैंने उनको कहा 10 मिनट रह गए हैं शो के. तो पूरा उन्होंने पैनिक कर दिया. मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं आपको तंग कर रही हूँ. और दही जाएगा इसमें, ठीक है? फिर इसमें हम डालेंगे रोज़ वाटर, अरके गुलाब है ये. थोड़ी सी चीनी जाएगी और इलायची का पाउडर है. और ऑफ कोर्स द मेन इंग्रेडिएंट जो हमारा है हर्बियन. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि हर्बियन, फाइबरलैक्स, इसबगोल जो है, व्हाट डू यू वांट? इनके ये अलग अलग फ्लेवर्स हैं. ऑरेंज है, फ्रूट पंच है, लेमन है, नेचुरल है. और इसके अलावा यहाँ हर्बियन के गैस्ट्रल ये डाइजेस्टिव टैबलेट्स भी हैं, ठीक है? और ये फ्लेवर्स डिफरेंट हैं, जैसे इमली है और ये नींबू है, ये है जनाब आमचूर और ये है ओरिजिनल. तो जब भी भारीपन लगे, बहुत ज़्यादा आपने खाना खा लिया हो, तो 2 टैबलेट्स आप खा सकते हैं. अच्छा, हर्बियन हम इसमें डालेंगे और सब कुछ हम ब्लेंड कर देंगे बर्फ़ के साथ, जो कि मेरे फ्रीज़र में होगा. बर्फ़ कहाँ गई? अच्छा, यहाँ है. फ्रीज़र से चलती चलती बाहर आ गई. ओके. सो इसको हम डाल देते हैं और ब्लेंड कर देते हैं. Care for a glass?
Yes, please.
A jug?
Glass, please. I'm not from Germany.
Yeah. Okay. Lassi in a martini glass?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And do you have a fresh strawberry or raspberry to put on top?
No, we've got some fresh dry fruits.
Almost the same.
Well. अब ये मशीन चाहिए था, मेरा मशीन खुल जाए. खुल गया, इज्जत रख ली. और कुछ बादाम पिस्ते डालेंगे. Ta-da!
Ta-da! Thank you.
Welcome.
Should we toast? You toast in a
No,
jug?
no, no, toast. Come on, let's start with the salad. Okay. Chef,
Yes.
I'm not going to toast with you. Come
Of
on,
course
let's
you are.
Of course not.
Of course you are.
Ding. Okay, चलिए. अब हम जरा काम कर लें, please. जी.
Good. So the salad is pretty much done, or pretty much it is done. I'm just picking some herbs to give some more flavor to the salad. Mm-hmm. So this is basically the Danish way to add some spices. We add a lot of herbs.
Herbs,
Yeah. So fresh herbs, and the more different herbs, the better.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
we add some basil, some dill, some chives. We are not. It's funny because if you go to Denmark, you can divide people into 2 groups: those who like coriander and those who can't stand coriander.
पाकिस्तान में भी लोग हैं जो नहीं खाते हैं धनिया. There are many people in Pakistan who don't like coriander.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. It's
Many
the same
we
as in
know.
Denmark.
जी.
Yeah. So we're just gonna add the coriander. Was just gonna add for the korma. Let's see, some parsley, and we're gonna chop it up. Are you not gonna taste it? It tastes good, actually. It is good. There we go. And
Okay.
I'm gonna chop this up just a little bit here. But then we can actually mix in the ingredients. Do you have a strainer? So we can strain this a little bit?
I'll do it.
Perfect, thank you. So just so it doesn't come with too much of, if there is there any
No, it's just
liquid?
stuck on.
No, that's fine.
You want me to strain it?
No,
still?
thank you. No, thank you.
See, it's just stuck to it.
Yeah, I can see. Good, so some fresh chives. And then we take the bowl with the, here. And we add the apples.
अच्छा सेब डालेंगे हम बर्न की वही जो कॉलीफ्लावर थी वो है और ये हर्ब्स हैं हरे प्याज के पत्ते आप डाल सकते हैं चाइव्स नहीं मिले तो ये बैजिल है यानी तुलसी के पत्ते हैं डिल यानी सोया है एंड
And
पार्सली
some, a little bit of vinegar.
डू वी हैव इट हियर
We should have vinegar.
सिरका प्लीज भेजें सिरका a bit of oil
A little bit of oil just to...
and
Salt.
salt नमक and all these herbs
And a little bit of herbs, yeah.
okay ठीक है
TK.
ठीक है done
Done.
and we are ready with our salad
And almost ready.
what about the onions
This is for prep, we serve them in the onions. So put the onion on the plate and we serve the salad inside the onion.
okay
Oh, there's vinegar over there. You know, so we add a little bit of vinegar. We have these, they're very sweet, so we need some balance for the food, yeah?
oh it looks yum now
There we
but
go.
chef the beetroots are anyways sweet why did you add honey just to give a glaze
The beetroot are sweet, but they become just a little bit sweeter and a little bit, you know, you want the caramelized.
Okay.
Caramelized.
okay
that's
so
a
the
tough word.
caramelized
Yeah,
flavor okay.
exactly.
okay now what
Now we add just a little bit of
vinegar it's quite
vinegar.
strong yeah
And then we taste it before we serve it, of course. So a spoon, please. A regular
come on I
spoon.
just got you a
Table,
little bigger spoon
You did, you did.
okay
A little bit of salt, and we're done.
okay now
Good. So let's start dressing the plates. So the salad is cold. Now we're just going to do it here. Just put this here. So that's okay. TK?
ठीक नहीं है
Not TK.
नहीं ठीक नहीं not ठीक
not ठीक.
because we have a break so we'll have to wait we'll clean up we'll take the vegetarian korma out probably in that dish
yeah.
we'll do all that in the breaks we'll take a short break हम short break लेके आते हैं आप कहीं मत जाइएगा शेफ कैस्पर किस तरह प्लेट अप करते हैं ये मज़ेदार सी सारी चीज़ें आपको पता है हमारे देसी खानों में तो हम एक हांडी बना के बैठ जाते हैं लेकिन बाहर के मुल्कों में जो खाना होता है बहुत सारे डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं एक प्लेट में आपने देखा होगा तो ये देखें आपने इन्होंने सैलड बनाया है चिकन बनाई इन्होंने आलू बनाए हैं इन्होंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें बनाई हैं और ये सब कुछ एक जब होगा तो आपको मज़ा आएगा आप देखेंगे तो कहीं मत जाइएगा हमारे साथ रहिए देखते रहिए मसाला टीवी ओके जी वेलकम बैक तो जो सैलड थी प्याज इन्होंने लिया है और उसको सिर्फ सिरके में डाल दिया था पानी के साथ तो इस तरह इसका रंग इतना अच्छा आया है वो बड़े प्याज के अंदर उन्होंने ये सैलड भरी है चिकन जो अवन में सिर्फ नमक के साथ पकाया था वो बीच में से काट के चिकन रख दी है आलू जो इन्होंने अवन में बेक किए तो व्हाट डिड यू मिक्स ओनली द पोटैटोस
I mixed it with the onions and parsley.
पार्सली और प्याज के साथ चॉप किए हुए मिक्स कर दिया उफ इतना मज़े का लग रहा है आई वाज जस्ट टेलिंग माय ऑडियंस दैट इट लुक्स वंडरफुल
Thank you.
डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स
Yeah.
इन वन प्लेट यू
Yeah.
नो बिकॉज व्हाट वी मेक वी जस्ट मेक वन dish
Exactly.
and we just put it in on the table you know
Exactly.
here you guys have 2-3 different things on a plate
Yeah.
and lots of hard work I think
Yeah,
More
it's-
hard work.
Yeah, there's more work and there's
More
more. Yes, there is definitely.
yeah everything looks lovely thank you so much for coming on our show and letting me bother you a bit
Thank you for letting me be here.
How was the experience?
It was really nice. You're fun to work
So are you
with.
coming tomorrow again?
Yes, I am.
So I have the day off tomorrow.
Okay.
Guys, I have the day off tomorrow.
There we go.
Okay, so
just a little rehearse. Can you
herbs.
take that on the table?
Yes,
Good.
chef.
And then I'm gonna do the vegetarian korma. So add some chopped
बादाम
what
कोरमे के ऊपर डाल दिए और
they call almonds. Yeah, that's what they called.
बादाम,
Fresh coriander.
धनिया और धनिया.
And just a little bit more herbs.
Okay.
So, so it looks a little bit more inspiring. It looks delicious.
Are you going to make another plate?
I'm gonna
I'll
do
it,
another
I'll do
plate. There you go. So with the salads, I've made these pickled onions. I think you told that in the beginning, right?
Yes, yes.
Good. There we go. And cut some chicken breast. The bones right there. So it's nice and juicy inside.
And all done up.
And all like it should be. And some potatoes on the plate. Done. And a little bit of herbs. Again.
Okay. Looks neat and colorful.
It is. Thank you. There we go. Simple.
Come, let's sit.
Should we get some knives and forks? Or
No,
just
no,
sit?
no.
Let's just sit.
ओके जी, तो आज आपने देख लिया हमारे शो पे शेफ़ कैस्पर थे डेनमार्क से और उन्होंने ये मज़े की रेसिपीज़ बनाई हैं। लज्जत में 5 बजे लाइव आप देख सकते हैं अचारी पालक मूंग दाल बादामी मटन और कॉर्न पुलाव। कल मैं फूड डायरीज़ में आपको एक बहुत मज़ेदार सी झींगे और लौकी के साथ लाव चिंगड़ी बनाना सिखाऊंगी और तंदूरी चिकन पास्ता है। सो ज़रूर देखिएगा। चिकन हम एंडोर्स कर रहे हैं, चिकन एंड एग हमारे शो पे पूरा हफ्ता आप हमारे साथ रहिएगा, देखिएगा। चिकन प्रोटीन है, प्रोटीन एग और चिकन आप अपने बच्चों को ज़रूर खाने में अपने डाइट में इनकॉर्पोरेट करें। मैंने एक शो भी किया हुआ है चिकन और एग का और आपसे बहुत मज़ेदार सी रेसिपीज़ शेयर की हैं। तो इसी तरह साथ हमारा रहिएगा और देखते रहिएगा, हमारे शेफ़ की भी रेसिपीज़ ज़रूर ट्राई करिएगा। ओके शेफ़, एनीथिंग एल्स यूड लाइक टू से?
Thank you for visiting, and thank you for everybody everywhere we go. So the hospitality is enormous. So I feel
Yes, that
very
is what
welcomed.
Pakistan is actually all about.
Oh, that's nice to
We
hear.
are a very hospitable nation and we welcome our guests. And a big thank you for coming on my show and for teaching all these lovely recipes. And I hope to try it at home as well.
Yes.
And I hope our viewers will also try this recipe.
I hope so too.
And a big thank you to you again.
Thank you for letting me be here.
ओके जी, तो इसी तरह अब आप दीजिए मुझे और शेफ़ कैस्पर को इजाज़त। आपकी और मेरी मुलाकात कल होगी 3:30 बजे लाइव। आपको पता है पीर से जुमा मंडे टू फ्राइडे मैं आपके साथ लाइव हूँ 3:30 से 4:30 और रात में 12 बजे। दूसरे दिन सुबह 9:30 बजे शो रिपीट होता है, तो देखना मत भूलिएगा। शेफ़ की रेसिपीज़ भी हम पेज पे रख देंगे। फूड डायरीज रेसिपीज़ इज़ द नेम ऑफ माई फेसबुक पेज।
Okay.
So if you'd like to join that, you can join it and see the pictures. We'll be posting them in a while.
Okay.
The pictures of your food. ओके जी, चलिए अब दीजिए मुझे और टीम को इजाज़त। जाते जाते याद रहे कि मसाला है तो खाने में है मज़ा। खुदा हाफिज़।
Bye bye.
मज़ीद मज़ेदार रेसिपीज़ देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा YouTube का चैनल मसाला TV रेसिपीज़।